said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing. No, no, no. She said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, she said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. The vibrant SARONG Island Spirit, featuring a bright tropical green background that radiates freshness and vitality. Boldly adorning the fabrics are large hibiscus and myriad flowers of blue, cherished symbols across the Pacific that embody beauty and grace, and the warmth of the island hospitality. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing. Yes, girl, I wanna give you the thing. The hibiscus, with its bold petals and vibrant color, speaks to feminine strength and confidence, while the stalk of Sinivia offers a gentle nod to calm, peace, and new beginning. The placement of each floral motif flows like ocean waves, echoing the rhythm of island life and the deep connection between people and the sea. The lively color palette and blooming design celebrate the richness of island culture, reflecting both natural beauty and joyful tradition. Every man want jam in your section. She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just
more than just an outfit, the way which SARONG is tied carries deeper meaning. Each knot is a statement, graceful, intentional, and full of pride. It is part fashion, art storytelling, and a bit of island magic. With every wrap, this SARONG honors generations of tradition while showcasing her unique spirit and creativity. Worn with poise, presence, and just a hint of island sass, this SARONG doesn't just complete the look, it completes the story.
She said,
it's a vibrant tribute to heritage, femininity, and island elegance, making it the perfect piece to highlight the beauty of any wearer and the islands. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5 is SNS USA.